This is the first video for the 4.1b lesson, slope of linear relationships. It says slope describes how steep a line is. The direction of the line determines if the slope is, we have a couple types of slope. In fact, we have 4 types: positive, negative, 0, or undefined. All lines or linear relationships have slope or have a constant rate of change. It was something that we actually used in the last lesson. So examine the graph line and state if the slope is positive or negative. We're going to make a note here that we read graphs from left to right, meaning that as you read this first one from left to right, it goes down, and down is considered a negative slope. As we read this graph from left to right, it goes up, and we consider this a positive slope. The third graph, as we read it from left to right, is quite steep, and it goes up and it has positive slope. And the last one, go ahead and try to make a prediction. From left to right, it goes down, and if you said negative, you're correct. It has negative slope. All right, next we're going to explain in words how you know whether a line has positive or negative slope. Put positive slope rises from left to right. Rises meaning it's going to go up. Positive slope rises from left to right. Negative slope falls, or we could say goes down from left to right. All right, feel free to pause the video if you're still writing that down. So those are reminders, always from left to right though. Now we're going to look at 0 and undefined. So 0 slope is for horizontal lines. And I like to think of this as like skiing or snowboarding, in that if I ski and snowboard on this, it is kind of 0 or boring. I need to push myself to propel myself. And this one is kind of crazy. This would be like skiing off a cliff. Sometimes those expert skiers or snowboarders do this, and this is undefined. Vertical. So horizontal is 0. In fact, the letter Z has several horizontal looking things, and vertical is undefined. We use the word undefined in Module 3 as well. So we'll write ourselves a little note here. 0 slope is for a horizontal line. We'll draw a picture as a reminder of what horizontal looks like a horizon line. And undefined slope is for a vertical line. Zero is horizontal and undefined is vertical. And those little sketches, I think, are helpful, a little picture. In fact, the word undefined, the U, has the left and right half of it have what looks like a vertical line as well. So that might be an easy way to remember that.